Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
When players successfully defeat an NPC in your Roblox game, you can easily give them in-game money. This creates a really rewarding experience, encouraging them to engage with your combat system more often and explore the game world. It's a fantastic way to motivate players, making every vanquished foe feel truly impactful and worthwhile for their efforts and dedication. To accurately detect an NPC's death, you'll want to focus on its humanoid component. Every character in Roblox, including your custom NPCs, contains a humanoid object, which manages health and movement. This object has a special event called Died that fires instantly whenever the character's health drops to 0. We'll connect a custom function to this Died event, which will then trigger our money-giving process for the player. After confirming the NPC's demise, we can now smoothly grant the player their well-deserved currency. The process involves accessing the player's Leader Stats folder, which usually contains their various money values, like cash or coins. By directly adding a specific amount to this value, you seamlessly update their in-game funds. This method makes sure their reward is instantly reflected for them, enhancing their overall gaming experience. A crucial step is pinpointing exactly which player landed the final blow on the NPC. Often, when a player's tool or weapon inflicts damage, it might contain a creator tag object within it. This handy tag helps us trace back to the player who owns that specific tool, ensuring the correct person receives the monetary reward for their skill and effort. It's a key part of fair play. For optimal security and proper function, always place this type of reward script inside server script service within your game. You might also want to think about giving different amounts of money for various NPC types or difficulties, making the game more dynamic. Adding simple checks, such as verifying the killer is a genuine player, can also help protect your game from potential exploits, keeping things fair and fun for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.